Who's ready for a Trader Joe's haul? Me. All right, today we've got some brioche buns. I've got 2 of these. Something fun we're making here in just a little bit. And then we've got my normal bananas. I got 2 of them this time because these kids eat at least 1 or 2 every day. So, we got nanners. That's a staple here in this house. I've got a couple tomatoes, and I've got these jalapenos. I gotta make more pickle dip. So, and then this bag we have, these are like my favorite chips. They're the olive oil ones, no seed oil. These are really good. Got those. And then I got this. I was going to get my husband the buffalo flavor, buffalo chicken, whatever, flavored popcorn, and the whole shelf was empty. But I did get this. This looks good. Hot honey popcorn. I'm gonna try that. And I felt compelled, I need to try the little sheet cakes, the coconut one. This is the new one. It's not. So, 2 of our coffees, of course. You get these every week. 2 of these. 2 of those. Then we got some more of the garlic stuffed olives. We really like these, so I got some more of those. I needed some more vanilla bean paste, so pick that up while I was there. And I got 2 of these. I don't know if you've ever tried this. What is it called? The unexpected cheddar spread. This stuff is really, really good. We like it on weekends. I got 2 of those. Then I picked up some gnocchi. I think I'm gonna do something with this, maybe a soup. So stay tuned for that. And then in this bag, I picked up a salad kit. This is probably gonna go with one of our dinners this week. This is the miso crunch soup. It's got the cashews, sesame seeds, good stuff. They have good salad kits there. If you've never tried their salad kits, they're really good. Try them. Need more blueberries. Got 2 containers of our favorite blueberries. Got petal lettuce. Got these edamame. I love these. I like them frozen. I like them just in the cold section. These are just in the cold section. Just take them out and put a little salt on them, and they're really good protein source too. Got those. Needed some celery. And I got me some protein pancakes. I don't know if you've ever tried these yet, but I haven't, and I'm anxious to try them. They're the protein pancakes. They are 1 package, 220 calories. They're made with cottage cheese in them. So I got some packets of that to try. Hopefully it's good. Got some beef. Got more of my rice, which is a normal thing in this house. More cream. More of my favorite creamer. I'm running out of room here, folks. I'll move it. I got some overnight oats to try. I don't eat breakfast. I typically just have my coffee in the morning, and then I start drinking my water, so I normally don't eat anything until about lunchtime, until about 11:30 to 12. But these would be a good little thing to have for lunch, I think. So I got the peanut butter, I got vanilla, and I got an apple one. And then I got some chicken. It's kind of a big haul. They stuff the bag so damn good. So today I spent $157.15. This was my Trader Joe's haul. Get yourself to Trader Joe's if you haven't already, and find you some good stuff. Until next time, bye.